Hello everyone! Start off by taking a section of hair from the top of the head and then tie a rubber band at the back to it. Then take two more sections from the left to the right side and then tie a rubber band. Twist it in on itself so that it forms two twists. Now take another section of the hair and once again repeat the process of twisting it. Do this one more time by taking two sections of the hair. Repeat this. You may add decorative rubber bands at the end. Next, start off by taking the upper section of the hair and then tie it up with a rubber band. Then tie a rubber band at the middle of this and twist it inward. Take a section of the hair from the remaining portion of the hair that was left and lift it up. This will form a bow. Then make a braid and using your finger, take out strands of hair or loosen it. Once you are done with the braid, roll it upwards. Fasten it using a bobby pin or any such clip. Use some decorative clips. Next, take a section of hair from the left and the right side of the head and then tie it up at the back. Roll the hair in on itself and then tie two more ponytails on either side. Twist the hair in on itself and then insert them into the twist. Repeat this process. You may add a decorative clip. Next, start off by taking the left side of the hair and then tie it up towards the right side, taking a small section of the hair from the right side as well. Repeat this and slowly move towards the left side. Then divide the bottom of the hair into two divisions. Tie a braid with both the divisions. Tie the right side braid on the left side and vice versa. Next, start off by putting a ponytail. Take a section of the hair from the top and clip it up. Then divide the hair into two portions and then tie a rubber band at the base of each of these two sections. Divide the front section into two halves and then bring through the second section through it. Keep repeating this process. In the section that you had initially left out, make a braid out of it and tie it all together. Next, start off by putting a ponytail and then lift it upwards and tie it up with a clip. Also fasten it using a rubber band. Add a decorative clip at the bottom. This is what it should look like. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a rubber band at the base of the scalp, then roll up the hair as such, comb it in and then use a decorative clip. Start off by twirling the hair around the finger and then twist it and then make a bun out of it. This will be a knot-like bun. Add a decorative clip to it. This is what it should look like. For our next hairdo, start off by sectioning the top of the hair and tying a rubber band to it. Then tie a rubber band in the middle of this hairdo and then twist it in on itself, lift it up, take a section of the hair from the insides and bring it through and then make a braid out of it. Loosen the braid using your fingers and then roll it upwards, fasten it using a bobby pin. This is what it should look like. For our next hairdo, take two sections of the hair from the front and then tie it up at the back. Take a section of hair from the tied up portion and then begin to braid the hair. As you progress with the braid, take sections from the left side of the hair as such. Now make a center division and then make a bow out of it by tying a rubber band in the middle and then pushing it upwards. With the right side, once again make a braid similar to the left side. For our next hairdo, start off by taking two sections of hair, tying it up at the back and twisting it in on itself. Then take the left section and then put it in through the right twist. Then braid the hair towards the right side. Twirl it upwards. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a loose ponytail. Then make a division within the hair and then make it into the shape of a bun. Using any sort of decorative clip or rubber band, tie it up. This is what it should look like. Thank you for watching.